What up, gang? So I just entered 2 positions on GBP USD. Now I'm trading my live account with Coinex, so I'm going to be risking a lot more than I usually would on a prop firm. So we can make a lot of money today, but let's just see what happens. You know, nothing's ever promised, but this trade is looking very good so far. So we're currently up 1,700 on one position and we're down 400 on the second position. Oh, we're getting a nice push. Now I do risk a lot more on my live account just because there's no rules in place that's gonna, you know, terminate my account. I only trade my live account when I have like a A+ setup and I want to risk a lot. You know, it's fun for me. We make a lot of money, but I only use my A+ setups on my live account. On the prop firms, I really don't care about them because if I lose an account, I could just pass it again in a couple days. So I don't really care about the prop firm account. But with my live account, you know, I treat it like a baby. I only take A+ setups and I risk a little bit more. So, you know, I really enjoy trading the live account. It's just funner for me. I like to see big numbers and shit. All right, so we're getting a strong rejection. Don't do this to me, big bro. We are in a strong downtrend right now, as you can see right here. I'm hoping this will be the push to break out. Okay, we're up 5K, we're up 5K, let's get it. I really want to make 15, but we'll see what happens. See how this push comes, because if we could break out this trend line right here, with some momentum, like we could really push up high. So I really want to see what's going to happen. We're at a whole nother level at this point. So like it's been some months, like you should be elevating every single couple months. You should be increasing the lots, increasing the risk to reward, everything, right? You shouldn't be making the same money that you made a year ago. We need this candle to close strong though. We do not want a huge rejection on the last couple seconds. We need a strong close. Beautiful close. That's a beautiful, perfect close right there. This is going to be a good trade. I feel it. It's going to be a great trade. If we can make 15K in this one trade, I would already beat the challenge that I did a couple months ago. This is why I try to tell people like trading is so dope because there's no limit to how much you can make. The more money you have in your account, the more money you're going to make. This is as simple as that. Once you learn the skill, just keep dumping money into your live account or keep getting funded accounts and you're just going to be making more money. This is the exact same strategy, everything the same from what I did a couple months ago. I just have more money in the account. Simple as that. Oh shit. Oh shit. I didn't realize we were fucking shooting. God damn. What are we at? We at 12K. Oh my god. We probably hit 15K already. Damn it. I got the bubble guts, gang. I got the bubble guts, bro. Oh my god. I'm sick. No way, bro. And that's how we're gonna close? Oh, it might be a done deal, bro. I might have to close it. No. I just lost 4K, bruh. I don't even know how much that was. I'm sick. I'm gonna have to close it. No, we're dropping, gang. We're dropping. I'm gonna have to take my 10K. Oh no, what's this? I'm gonna have to take my 10K. Bro, I'm sick, bro. Oh my god, I can't believe that shit. I had to get out. They're closing like this on a trend line? No way, bro. That's just gonna melt. I'm sick, bro. I'm sick. I just lost 5K for taking a shit. I'm done, bro. Oh my god. That's crazy, bro. I mean, I'm still happy I made 10, but damn, bro, I was up 15. At least I know I had to be up 15, bro. I know I had to be. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. I ain't gonna lie. It was those damn tacos, bro. Damn. You know, we could have made 15K, but it didn't turn out how I wanted it to. So at least we made like around 10K. You know, it's a great start to the week. Hopefully I can continue this. We made 10K. You know, we could have made 15, but shit happens, literally. But all right, guys, so we made 10K. Now I'm going to break down this trade so you can see why I entered and you can start making money yourself. So let's get into it. Okay, so what I seen, right, if you put your kill zones on, okay, we have a downtrend all through New York session, right? So I'm expecting it to correct itself. So since we have this trend line going down and the price is getting smaller and smaller, which means it's getting weaker and weaker, we try to break out down here, right? We didn't want to go down there. We rejected it, pushed up again. We broke structure right here, right? We got to break a structure right there. We left a gap on a demand push, right? So now we got a supply and demand setup after we just tried to break out and came back above. So that lets me know, okay, wait, price is probably going to come up here, let everybody get in right here, and then we're going to blast off, right? That's what I'm hoping. That's what I was hoping for. So I was like, you know what? I think this will be a good trade to take. We had everything we needed, our supply and demand zone. Everything was looking good on the higher time frame, right? The higher time frame is key. But if I was to give you what I seen on the higher time frame, everybody in my course would try to kill me, literally. So if you want to see what I seen on a higher time frame, then you know you're gonna have to get the course. It's just the way it is. But you don't need it. You can just do it off this. So as soon as price came back down, tapped into the box, we entered a trade and it hit TP really fast. I wasn't expecting it to go that like straight to TP like that. That's a 1 to 3. I was expecting it to, you know, push up, maybe come down a little bit, push up. You know how it always does, like lag it, but it just had enough power to go through. And I was expecting it to go all the way up here if it was going to push out straight like that, but who knows, bro. But we got our 1 and 3. That could have been 15K. I got to watch the video back to see. But regardless, we made about 10K today, so it's a great trade. There's nothing too much to it. It's just when you have experience in the markets, you can really read what the market is telling you, right? Like we're downtrending. We tried to break out for like a strong push. It didn't work. We didn't want to go down. So then we pushed up. We had to break a structure. Like there's just too many things telling me, okay, we might want to go up. And even if we're still going down, we still had enough momentum upwards to catch our 1 and 3, right? Because right now it looks like it's faking out the breakout. Same thing it did right here, right? It's doing it right here. But, you know, it could just reject the zone again and shoot out, or it could break through. You know, it just, the market does what it wants, but we got our 1 and 3, and that's all that matters. So I hope this helped you out. You know, I'm going to do a lot more live trading videos. I got a lot of videos coming for you guys. I also got a futures course dropping. Like we do trade futures, right? We do trade futures. It's another futures thing. I'm waiting for this to get tapped to enter, but it's getting kind of late in the day, so I might not even take it. But I got different strategies for futures. I got different strategies for Forex. Like I really do this shit, bro. Like, and it's all proven results. You see, I have like 1,000 students and most of them are getting results, right? And now I'm about to enter in the future game and I'm really about to take over, bro. So if you've been looking to get in futures, trust me, bro. When this course drops, you're going to want to get on that because it's next level. I don't see nobody trading like that. I don't even really see a lot of future traders. But this shit is easier than Forex, really. But if you guys need mentorship, hit me up on Instagram. You know, I have my links down below. You know, sign up for CoinX. I'll have the link down below too. You know, let's make some money this year. No more excuses. It's 2024. We're already going to be in April, bro. We're already going to be in almost half the year. This shit is crazy. It just felt like it was New Year's. It just felt like it was Christmas. It's time to get to work because another year's going to go by and you're still just going to be watching me and other traders make money while you're at home, not doing nothing, hungry because you ain't got no food in the fridge. I know, bro. I was there. Starving all fucking day, mad for no reason. I know exactly what you went through, bro. So I'm telling you, take action today. If you don't learn from me, learn from someone else. Just go buy their course and do this shit, bro. People always try to find free information on YouTube. It's not gonna work. I'm gonna just keep it 100. It's not gonna work. You know, you might find 1 or 2 courses, but I'm saying for like the average person, like go get you a course from a verified mentor, bro, whether it's me or someone else. I'm telling you, bro, you're gonna save a lot of time. Money comes and goes all day, especially if you have a job. You're gonna have another paycheck in 2 weeks. Stop spending that shit on food and weed and drinks and dumb shit. Put it into your life. Maybe you're not a Forex trader. Maybe you trade real estate, or maybe you're into e-commerce. Like I'm getting into e-commerce right now. Go buy you that course. Get the knowledge.